Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Gumroad account. First, head over to the Gumroad website. You'll see options to sign up using your email, Facebook, or Google. If you choose email, simply enter your address and create a secure password. Make sure it's something strong. After that, just agree to their terms and privacy policy, and you're ready for the next step. It's a straightforward process, taking only a few moments. Now that your basic account is set, it's time to personalize your profile. Your username becomes part of your unique Gumroad URL, so choose wisely. Upload a clear profile picture and an engaging cover image to represent your brand. Craft a brief, impactful bio that tells visitors about you and what you offer. Don't forget to link your social media for broader reach. It helps people find you. Next, let's set up how you'll receive your earnings. Head to your settings and look for the payout section. Gumroad typically offers options like PayPal or direct bank transfers. Carefully enter all your financial details to ensure smooth and secure transactions. Sometimes, you might need to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure to comply with financial regulations. It's crucial for getting paid reliably. Finally, you're ready to create your very first product. Look for the New Product button on your dashboard. You'll select the type of product you're selling, whether it's a digital download, a physical item, or a subscription. Upload your files, craft an engaging description, and set a fair price. Once everything looks perfect, hit publish and your product will be live, ready for customers to discover and purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.